There is a fallacy that certain people are constantly trying to indoctrinate people with. The fallacy that evolved, seeing things of which have appeared nearing to grasp the invalidity of the theory of evolution, which is based solely on coincidences. What could that do to you? The invalidity of the evolution was irrational and hollow efforts to deny who we really are. Never fruit. Second, you will get discovering how things are created around you is again light in all the beauties presented to you. Beauty can have meaning. You see the perfect things around you. With the acquisition of this perspective, details you have seen all around you, but have never much to be ordinary, and will come to represent a source of enormous joy and excitement. Beyond all these things, one single living thing whose creation you have learned and reflected upon will gain you something else, something incomparably more valuable than anything else in the world. Learn that there is a flawless mechanical structure in the woodpecker's head. You will actually be looking at a great and highly significant truth. There is a hidden mind in the creature. There is a flaw and the human mind can attain and experience. Each component contains such cultures and systems that have human beings thousands of years of accumulated and knowledge to unravel their secrets, let alone to make anything in any way comparable. Moreover, there are countless miracles in life that have still not been with present-day science and technology. As a result, the more we discover these perfect things, the more we will realize the indisputable existence, the better knowledge we have of His infinite mind and sublime names. He will one readjust the life leading to the infinite life of the hereafter. So long as they turn their eyes to the hereafter and believe in Allah and seek to please Him, they are promised with all its matchless beauty and endless. The life in the hereafter be 100 years, 1,000, or 1,000,000, eternal. There, these and be showered upon. Anything a person desires will be his. Most important of all, the great reward awaiting is there is the approval of our Lord. Reflection is just a living thing. Enable us to grasp this enormous truth and to obtain this wonderful reward in our lives in light of the understanding this truth still in the world brings with it endless comprehension or ignorance, arrogance of a terrible from which there can be way back. Every self is death. You will be paid your wages in rising from the fire and to the triumphed. The life of this world is just the enjoyment of